So far, our best fit curves have all been straight lines, so they were just in the form of mx plus b. Now we're going to have data that will actually curve. And in the polynomial function family, we've got quadratic functions where the highest exponent is a 2. So Excel will call them order 2 polynomials. A cubic is called order 3 polynomial in Excel, and a quartic is an order 4 polynomial. Okay, here's our data, and we want the cubic function, so that'll be an order 3. That's the best fit. So let's copy our data and bring it into Excel. And get it plotted. Add a chart element, a trend line. Now here you definitely need to do the more options. So if I click there, that line is now part of the graph. And if you decide you don't want it, you can just click it again and then delete it. And then redo it. Add a chart element, trend line, but just hover over and do more options. Instead of linear, go to polynomial. Order 2 would be a quadratic, a parabola. I want order 3, cubic, and scroll down to display the equation on the chart. Let me put that menu away. There's my equation. If I copy this, I can paste it in, and then I just need to update it for what WebWork wants. It doesn't want the y or the equal sign, no commas, and the raised to the third didn't come in correctly, so I'm going to need to put the exponent and then 3. Same on x squared. X and then raised to the, which you could do with this template for exponents over here. Okay, that should be good. Predicted value for y. Move my chart out of the way. Predicted is going to equal, let me get my function from here. And now I need to update the formatting for Excel. For Excel calculations, it won't be able to read that cube instead, and I don't need the x. So x value raised to the third here times by x value raised to the second, and I need to replace the x with a multiplication sign and the value for x. Okay, that looks about right because the actual value was negative 171. Looks like my formula is coming through correctly. I can paste in my values.